Hi everyone, interesting day today in Lower Merion Township, Pennsylvania. Doing some training demonstration days for the Delaware Valley Trust. And we had been to this particular one before at Lower Merion, went back today, and they had a new toy. Thought I'd put this together for you, let you take a look at it. Don't have it in action, but you can see the truck and how they have it set up. And they just have got this thing completed. So it's a truck that carries a lot of tree parts, but the neat thing is the boom. The boom arm folds double right behind the cab, and the actual harvester head that they have built into this system. This boom arm has a 90-foot reach. The truck can then be able to manipulate this boom arm and a cutting head and be able to take a top out of a tree. They can be able to take a tree that is down after a storm and buck it up, pick it up, and put it in the back of this truck. And so it's a super neat machine, and I don't think I've seen anything like it. Very similar cutting head assembly and reach as what you'd have with a Cinnabogan or something like that in a big machine. But this truck is very useful. It really helps out for storm cleanup, storm damage, and also for trimming and removal work. And the proper angle for the reach, but more or less that head can be able to cut it into any length that you need it, pick it up with the grapple, put it back into the truck body. It's quite a piece of equipment. So have fun along the Forest Apps Road. We'll update you again as we go through the rest of the week, and we hope to see you. Good sawing.